Recording in progress.
Hi folks, welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is quantum field of infinite possibilities. Right now, as you listen to these words, you are floating in an ocean of infinite potential. Every atom in your body, every thought in your mind, every possibility you have dreamed of, they all exist simultaneously in what quantum physicists call the field of all possibilities. But here is what most people don't understand. You are not separate from this field. You are this field expressing itself through your unique consciousness. And in the next few span of minutes, I'm going to show you how you exactly tap into the quantum reality and transform your life from the inside out. This is not theory. This is not wishful thinking. This is cutting edge science meeting ancient wisdom, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about your potential. Are you ready to step into your quantum field of infinite possibilities? Then let's begin. The quantum foundation. Imagine for a moment that reality is not solid. Imagine what that you perceive as fixed, unchangeable circumstances are actually just one possible arrangement of energy and information. Because according to quantum physics, that's exactly what they are. At the quantum level, the very foundation of all reality, particles exist in what scientists call superposition. This means they exist in multiple states simultaneously until the moment they are observed. The act of observation collapses these infinite possibilities into one experiential reality. Now, here is where it gets extraordinary. Your consciousness is the observer. Your awareness, your intention or attention, your focused intention, these are the forces that collapse the wave function of infinite possibility into your live or life experiences. Think about for this moment. Every morning, when you wake up, you are not waking up to a fixed reality. You are waking up to a field of infinite potential. You are waking up to a field of infinite potential, and through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, you are constantly choosing which possibility becomes your reality. But most people are unconscious observers. They are collapsing the same limited possibilities over and over again because they are operating from the same level of consciousness, same habitual thoughts, the same emotional patterns day after day. The quantum field does not care about your past. It does not care about your current circumstances. It only responds to your present moment, awareness, and the energy you are broadcasting right now. This is why transformation can happen in an instant. This is why miracles are possible, because in the quantum field, everything already exists. Every version of yourself you have ever wanted to become, every goal you have ever wanted to achieve, every relationship you have ever wanted to experience, it's already there. It's all there, waiting for you to align with it energetically. Breaking free from past conditioning. Now, let me ask you something. How much of your day are you thinking the same thoughts you thought yesterday? How much of your emotional experience is just a replay of familiar patterns? Neuroscience tells us that by the time we are 35 to 40 years old, 95% of your thoughts, emotions, and behavior are automatic programs running in our subconscious mind. We become addicted to the familiar even when the familiar is limiting us. But here is a breakthrough. The moment you become conscious of these unconscious patterns, you create space for new possibilities to emerge. Awareness itself is the beginning of transformation. Your brain is designed to keep you safe by predicting the future based on past experiences. But prediction is just another word for limitation. But when you live in the prediction mode, you're literally closing yourself off from the infinite field of new possibilities. The quantum field operates beyond linear time. Past, present, and future are all happening simultaneously in this field of infinite potential. When you truly understand this, you realize that you can access any timeline, any possibility, any version of yourself at any moment. But it requires you to break the addiction of your current identity. You have to be willing to let go of the person you think you are to become the person you are capable of being. This is not about positive thinking. This is not about affirmation. This is not about scripting. This is about fundamentally shifting your state of being so that you're broadcasting a completely different energetic signature into the quantum field. Every emotion is energy in motion. Every thought creates an electromagnetic field. Every belief generates a specific frequency, and the quantum field responds to frequency, not to words, not to wishes, but to the actual energy you are emanating. So, if you want to access new possibilities, you must become energetically aligned with those possibilities. You must think new thoughts with those possibilities. You must think new thoughts, feel new emotions, and embody new states of being before the external evidence shows up. Now, the very important aspect is the science of manifestation. Let me share with you one of the most profound discoveries in quantum physics, the observer effect. When scientists study quantum particles, they have discovered that the very act of observation changes the behavior of these particles. This is not some mystical concept, this is hardcore science. The consciousness of the observer literally influences physical reality at the quantum level. Now, scale this up to your life. You are the observer of your reality. Your consciousness, your attention, your focus, these are all constantly influencing the quantum field and determining which possibilities manifest in your experience. But here is what most people miss. You're not just observing your current reality, you're also observing your future possibilities through your imagination, your visualization, your emotional rehearsal of future events. When you vividly imagine a desired outcome and feel the emotion associated with that outcome, you're not just daydreaming, you're actually observing that possibility in the quantum field. And according to quantum physics, the act of observation begins to collapse that possibility into physical reality. This is why visualization works when it's done correctly, and authenticity always wins. Authentic always triumphs. You're not trying to force something to happen, you're simply observing it in the quantum field of possibilities and allowing your consciousness to select that timeline. But it goes deeper than visualization. Your entire nervous system must be coherent with your desired outcome. Your thoughts, emotions, and energy must be aligned and broadcasting the same frequency. This heart has an electromagnetic field that 60 times greater than the brain and can be measured several feet away from the body. When your heart and brain are in coherence, when you're thinking elevated thoughts and feeling elevated emotions, you create a powerful energetic signature that the quantum field responds to immediately. This is why gratitude is so powerful. When you feel genuine, authentic gratitude for something you desire as if it's already happened, you're broadcasting the frequency of having rather than wanting. Actually, wanting is also a lack feeling. And a quantum field does not distinguish between what you are grateful for in your memory and what you are grateful for in your imagination. Becoming the creator of your reality. Now, I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine that right now there are infinite versions of yourself existing in parallel realities. There is a version of you that's already achieved everything you desire. There's a version of you living in a perfect health, abundant wealth, fulfilling relationships, and complete freedom. These are not fantasies. According to many words, interpretations of quantum mechanics, these are actual realities existing simultaneously in the quantum field. So the question is not whether these realities exist, they do. The question is, how do you shift your consciousness to align with the reality you prefer? It starts with the fundamental shift in identity. You must stop thinking of yourself as someone who wants something and start embodying the person who already has it. This is not pretending or self-deception. This is quantum physics in action. Every possibility in the quantum field has a specific energetic signature, a unique combination of thoughts, emotion, and states of being. When you match that signature, you automatically align with that reality. Think about who you would need to become to live your desired life. How would that person think? How would they feel? How would they move through the world? What would their energy be like? Be very choiceful. Celebrate every thought consciously. Okay. Most people try to change their external circumstances first and hope their internal states will follow. How it is possible? It's not possible, isn't it so? But quantum creation works in reverse. You must become the person internally first and then the externally shifts to match your new state of being. This requires what I call living in the unknown. Instead of needing to know how your desires will manifest, you must become comfortable with uncertainty while maintaining absolute certainty in your vision. The unknown is where all possibilities exist. The moment you think you know how something should happen, you limit the quantum field to only those possibilities that match your current understanding. But the field contains possibilities beyond your imagination. Your job is not to figure out how, your job is to embody who you need to become and trust the intelligence of the quantum field to orchestrate the how. Now, let's understand the practical quantum techniques and let us practice it every day. Let me give you 3 specific techniques to work with the quantum field that you can implement immediately. Technique 1, future self visualization. Every morning before you start your day, spend 10 minutes connecting with your future self, the version of you that's already living your desired reality. Don't or never just see this person because this person or become this person. It means feel what they feel, think what they think, experience their level of confidence, gratitude, and inner peace. This is not wishful thinking. You are literally rehearsing a future reality and creating neural pathways that will guide you towards that outcome. Your brain does not distinguish a vividly imagined experience and a real one. They both create the same neural networks. Technique 2, elevated emotion generation. Throughout your day, practice generating elevated emotions independent of external circumstances. Feel gratitude without reason. Feel thank you without reason, internal, mental, okay? Experience joy without cause. There's always a law called law of cause and effect. Embody love without condition. When you can feel these elevated emotions regardless of what's happening around you, you're no longer a victim of your environment. You're broadcasting a higher frequency signal that attract experiences that match that frequency. Technique 3, present moment coherence. Several times a day, bring your attention fully into the present moment and feel the infinite potential that exists right now. Place your hand on your heart, slow your breathing, and tune into the field of possibilities that surround you. The present moment is where the quantum field is most accessible. When you are fully present, you are not limited by past experiences or future anxieties. You are in direct contact with infinite potential. Practice sensing this field of possibilities. It's not something you think about, it's something you feel. It's that sense of anticipation of knowing that anything could happen or being connected to something vast and mysterious. Living from infinite possibilities, as we come to the end of our time together, I want you to understand something profound. You are not separate from the quantum field of infinite possibilities. You are the field, experiencing itself through your unique consciousness. Every morning, you wake up with the opportunities to select from the infinite possible realities. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every decision you make is a choice that which possibility you are going to experience. The quantum field is always responding to you. It's not judging. It's not concluding that whether you're worthy or not. It's not withholding possibilities until you prove yourself. It's simply matching your energetic signature and delivering experiences that correspond to your state of being. This means you have incredible power but also incredible responsibilities. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are the creator of your reality, and with that power comes a responsibility to use it consciously. So I always believe and also inform you that celebrate life consciously. Start today, start right now. Begin to see yourself not as someone limited by past experiences or current circumstances, but as an infinite being with access to unlimited possibilities. Feel into the version of yourself that's already living your dream life. What does that feel like? How does that person move through the world? What's their energy like? What do they know that you are still learning? You don't have to wait for permission. You don't have to wait for the right circumstances. You don't have to wait for someone else to validate your dreams. This quantum field or the quantum field is available to you right now in this moment with infinite possibilities, waiting for your conscious selection. The question is not whether you can access these possibilities. You can. The question is, are you willing to let go of who you think you are to become who you are capable of being? The quantum field of infinite possibilities is calling you. It's time to answer that call and step into the magnificent reality you came here to create. Remember, you're not just in the universe, you are the universe. Expressing itself as you, and the universe has infinite possibilities. So, do you just contemplate, assess, and also introspect? Thank you for taking this journey into the quantum field of infinite possibilities. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments which possibility you are choosing to align with today. Until next time, remember your infinite possibility in motion. Thank you for watching. See you in the next